how to fix chat features are currently unavailable on your region on Roblox. Now, check Roblox chat settings. So open Roblox and go to settings. Make sure the chat feature is enabled. Sometimes it is turned off by default in some regions. Now, after that, verify your age on Roblox. So Roblox restricted chats for users under 13 years old. Check your date of birth in your account settings and update it if it is wrong. Now use a VPN to change your region. So if chat is blocked on your country, try using a trusted VPN app. Connect to a country where Roblox chat is allowed. Now clear browse app or app cache. So sometimes all data causes error. So clear the cache on your Roblox app or web browser, then restart Roblox. After that, update Roblox on the latest version. So make sure you have the newest Roblox updates. Go to your app store or website and install any available updates that you can find. Finally, contact Roblox support. So if the problems continues, visit the Roblox app help or Roblox Help Center. Submit a ticket explaining your issue for official help. And this is how to fix chat features are currently unavailable in your region on Roblox. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.